Hello students, I am here to play a quiz with you on the chapter number system. So let us start. The first question is, the decimal number system consists of digits. There are four options you can see. So which option is the correct answer? Decimal number system consists of 0 to 9.
That's correct.
The binary language is converted into dash language. Which language the binary language is converted?
Oops,
Decimal.
that is incorrect.
Let us see another.
Oops, that is incorrect.
See the quiz. It's
Oops, that is incorrect.
means all the answers are incorrect here. So the answer will be none of the above.
That's correct.
The value of 7 in the number 790.01 is what? 700.
That's correct.
In conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers, the remainders obtained after division should be written in dash order. In conversion of decimal numbers to binary, when we are converting a decimal number into binary numbers, the remainder obtained after division we write from in reverse order na.
That's
The dash digits are used to form decimal numbers. 10 digits.
That's correct.
The first step to convert decimal number to binary number is divide the number by what? 2. To convert binary to decimal, multiply each digit by base. When we are converting binary to decimal, we multiply each digit by base 2. The dash method is used to convert binary numbers to decimal number. Which method is used to convert binary number to decimal? Multiplication. The value of 5 in the number 2050 is value 50. A dash is a mathematical way to write numbers. What? Number system. 89 is an example of the 89 is an example of the
That's correct.
A computer can understand only binary language. In conversion of binary numbers to decimal numbers, start the calculation from right to left. Dash is an example of binary number system. Which one? Binary number consists only digit 0 and 1. So first option is the correct answer. The dash method is used to convert a decimal number into binary number. Which method? Division. The value of digit increases by 10 times as we move from dash right to left. The base of the decimal number system is the binary number system is also called as base 2 number system. So
That's correct.
this is the last question. So you can pause the video and guess the answer also. So in next video I will do you want more quiz on the next on the second chapter? Do let me know in the comment section, then I will show you quiz. We will play the quiz of next chapter also. Then after that we will start our half yearly syllabus. Okay, so write down in the comment section that you want more quiz on not this chapter, chapter 2, that is more on Windows 7. So till then, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.